you guys. I just got in a car. I'm on my way to go pick Elani up from school. As you can see, I'm hands-free. I got my car mount, which I'm so excited about. And it's actually the same one that I use for my other camera. The only thing, I had to put this, like, as you can see, I'm sorry y'all, I literally don't have nowhere else to put y'all. I mean, maybe over here, but I also don't want it to be that far away. So this is like the only place I can put y'all. Now, this mirror is gonna be in a way. It's probably gonna be a little annoying, and I do apologize in advance, but I don't have anywhere else to put you guys. The problem is, so with this camera, in order to mount it, you gotta put the other attachment piece on there. And so with the attachment piece being attached, the camera sits up really high. So that's the problem. It's like where I would like to put y'all on the flat surface, it's not gonna work because the camera's gonna be bumping against the window shield because it's too high. I don't know, y'all. Y'all may have to just go back to where y'all was. All right, when I figure this out, I'll be back. But like I said, I'm on my way to go get Elani. I don't think I have to stop at a store or anything, so we'll probably just go right back home. I pin curled my hair and I took it down just because, you know, I like to look a little presentable when I go into her school. But once we get back home, I'm gonna pin curl it right back up. Well, I don't know. I'll probably let it be for a couple hours, but I'm gonna pin curl it up again. I'm not gonna worry about like putting any heat on it again. Hopefully that don't do the curls too bad, but yeah. All right, y'all, I'll be back. All right, so we're gonna stop at ShopRite real quick to pick up, I would love to get fresh ginger. I'm gonna see if they have it. Does ShopRite even sell ginger? I'm sure they do. I don't buy ginger, but you know, I'm getting older and I need to start buying stuff like that, you know. So they gotta have fresh ginger. They just have to. But if not, the video that I watched, it was like powdered ginger, like a seasoning salt type thing. So we're gonna look for that, and I gotta get some organic honey. And what I'm making is a homemade cough syrup. No. I'ma actually take some myself, and I'm gonna take some myself. So I'm gonna start today. And I mean, I guess it just works like regular medicine, like take it every 4 hours. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna give Elani some. No. I like my old medicine. Well, if we can do natural stuff, it's better to do natural medicine. Mom, what is this? That's a string bean, but put it back. All right. Yeah, ginger root. What? I want to Stella. Lord, she giving Stella a shower. Here. Oh, Lord. Here. It went off. I guess that's good enough. So we got to get some. I'm going to try to look for that ginger in the form of like a spice. And then we got to get some honey. And then we're out of here. All right, here it is right here, ground ginger. at a crazy angle, you guys. I know. But I left my tripod downstairs. I think both of them are downstairs, actually. But, we all ate dinner. I got chocolate in my teeth. We all ate dinner. It was really good. Some of the curls, some of these curls already dropped, but this is what the hair is looking like. And so I switched up a little bit. Y'all know I had the middle part and I just put a side part on. And I just switched it to a side part. So I'm about to go ahead and pin curl this hair back up. Or do the pin curls that I know how to do. Yeah. This don't go on Marco's. This is too big. This goes on Elani's baby.
Yes, it is.
This is Bree Bree's.
The baby.
Here. Yeah, I'm gonna pin curl this hair up the way I know how to. The way that works for me. Okay. I'm trying to think if there's anything that I gotta tell y'all or talk to y'all about. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. But all right, you guys, this may be the end of the vlog for today. Just because I'm not doing anything. So like I said, I'm gonna pin curl this hair up and then I'm about to hop in the shower. And once I'm done in the shower, I'm gonna give the girls a bath and we'll read a story and then it's heads in bed, okay? Elani gotta go to school tomorrow. So, yes. Heads in bed. Good morning, guys. I got y'all at a crazy angle right now, sorry. But today is Saturday, so happy Saturday to everybody, January 4th. And I just got out the bed. It's 11:15. I woke up earlier though. I woke up at, I feel like I woke up at like, it was really early, maybe like, I don't know, maybe it was 7, and then I officially woke up at like 8, and I ended up falling back to sleep probably around like 9 something. I'm sick again, and I just cannot catch a break. Stop. I typically get sick around this time. You know, it's that flu season. I ain't that sick. I don't have the flu. Thank God. But I typically get sick around this time of the year, like the winter time. Always. It never fails. I feel like though last year... Did you fart?
I heard it.
I feel like last year... I feel like I didn't get sick last year. I feel like I skipped it, but I don't know. I could be making that up, but yes, I have another cold. So this morning I was just like coughing and coughing and coughing and coughing and coughing and coughing. So I went downstairs and I made myself a cup of hot tea and I drank it while it was hot. Typically I do. Well, I may let it cool down just a little bit, but I feel like it's more effective if you drink it hot. So like, I didn't even let it cool down. No. Okay, here. I didn't even let it cool down a little bit. I just drank it while it was hot. I put a cough drop in it, and then I sucked on a cough drop as well, and I feel like that helped me. It definitely eased the cough, took it away. So once I stopped coughing, I was able to fall back to sleep. So like I said, I'm just waking up and I'm about to.
It's cold.
I'm about to get myself together.
It's
Brush my
cold.
teeth, wash my face, all that. Do the same for the girls. I doubt if they ate
cold.
breakfast, so I'll have to go downstairs and make them some breakfast. But
My teeth are off.
I'm not doing anything this weekend because I didn't spend way too much money, and like it's almost like how. Like I went on my bank app and I'm like, where's all my money going to? Now I do have a few like recurring payments. Listen, this is my mom. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
I do have a couple recurring payments, so once those are done being pulled out, then I should be good. But also I don't even have to leave the house. Like Amazon. Okay, that's all I have to say. Let's talk about it. Amazon just be taking the coins. Okay, Erin, she likes this toothpaste. Elani don't like it because Elani says it's spicy, but Erin likes it. Okay, right, Mama?
Yes.
Y'all want to see her? Say good morning. Say good morning to everybody.
What's that?
Excuse me, say good morning.
Good morning. What's that?
Say, watch me brush my teeth.
A good.
Mm-hmm. Big girl. These are the vitamins that I give the girls. Smarty Pants, Organic Kids, Multi, and Probiotics. So they are to take 3. Well, actually, is serving size 4. But baby, if they get 4 vitamins a day, we gonna run out in 2 days. So I give them 3, which I feel like is still sufficient. So this is a toothpaste that, I use, but I did hear that you got to take some breaks away from this. So my mom had left this toothpaste. I wasn't feeling this at first because I was like, it doesn't. Thank you. Bye-bye. At first, I was like, it doesn't really lather up that well, but I actually do like it.
Follow me, where are you?
You didn't brush your teeth yet, Imani, did you? Did you eat?
Mommy, what? What did follow me?
Watch that camera. Do not drop that.
Here.
Spider-Man.
Here you go.
Spider-Man.
Here you go. Here you go.
Erin. Elani.
Hey, y'all.
Hey y'all, I went to a day in the life, so I still have the shirt on. It's still deep painting.
You got it on backwards. Your shirt. Because the heart is in the back. It's supposed to be in the front. See? The tag should be on your back. All right, I'm in a car. I'm about to pull up to my eye doctors. I just gotta pick my glasses up. I think they've been there for a little over a week, so I just want to go ahead and pick them up.
Picking up your glasses? All right, you can have a seat at that desk right behind you. I'll bring them right out, okay?
Thank you. All right, y'all. So I'm back home from the eye doctors. Elani had to leave out to go to the doctors to go get her x-ray. And y'all know somebody had a whole fit. A whole fit. You hear me? Talking about Elani left me. Elani left me. She left me. I'm like, oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta feed this fish. So y'all see how everything is kind of like, it's neat pushed up against the wall, like everything has a place. But I'm just not feeling it, so that's why I'm gonna do the kitchen over. And when I say I'm gonna do the kitchen over, not like remodeling it or nothing like that. I'm gonna just buy like some new decor to spruce it up to really make it look cutesy, you know? I don't know if I updated y'all, but I finally got the TikTok shop. Now, I don't know if I have it because I deleted the app and re-downloaded it. And by the way, don't delete your TikTok app and re-download it because you're going to lose all your stuff. Come on. Come on. No. Oh, good job. Big job. Good job, big girl. That definitely happened to me, but I wasn't mad. I wasn't too worried about it. Huh? Not yet, because I'm about to cook some oatmeal, okay? So let mommy cook some oatmeal and then I'll come on the couch with you, okay? Go watch your show. Look, I'll give you a couple pieces of this. You gotta sit down.
Hey, 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 hey.
Now she talking about some hey, hey, hey. Because I'm giving her some gummy bears. Hold your hand. I wasn't mad about it. Number one, because I'm not making any money on TikTok. And number two, I think TikTok is about to be banned anyway. And yeah, I mean, I really didn't care. Like, yeah, I was putting out videos, but it is what it is. But when I lost all my stuff, I was like, wow. So there's that. But I deleted it in the first place to see if downloading it would allow me to have the TikTok shop. Now, I feel like when I re-downloaded it, I still did not have it, y'all. Because my home screen was still like a feed. Looked on top, I didn't see shop anywhere. So randomly, I was out with my friend one day, and I had went on TikTok to show her that I didn't have the TikTok shop. Why it say shop right on the top? I was like, what? So I don't know if I don't know if the re-download really did help it, and I just wasn't I wasn't looking too clearly. I don't know, but I swear when I re-downloaded it, I didn't have it, and I was like, well, that was a waste because I could have just kept my old TikTok. So I don't know, y'all. That confused me a little bit, but I have it now. I haven't bought anything off of it. I think that should be enough. I haven't bought anything off of it yet, but I want to pretty soon. Like I said, just in case. You about to spit that in my hand? Gummy bears. You don't like gummy bears? Okay. Yeah, I wanna buy something off of it soon, just in case TikTok goes away. I hope TikTok doesn't, like, I'm not a big TikToker. That makes it seem like I make a lot of content for TikTok. I'm not that, and I'm not on TikTok a lot anyway. And when TikTok first came out, like, I didn't jump on a bandwagon with everybody else as soon as it came out. Number one, when I did go on there, I was like, I don't know how to work this. Like, I felt really like an old person and a non-tech savvy person. I was like, I do not know how to work this. So I wasn't on it a lot. I should just start crying again out the blue. But anyway, once I got on it, I was like, okay, maybe I should start putting content out, which I did. But honestly, I hope it doesn't go away, because a lot of people, that could be their mainstream of income, or whether that's just a side hustle for some people, or whatever the case may be. Like, whoever's making money on TikTok, I'm sure they are devastated that word of mouth is it's about to be banned. So for their sake, I mean, I hope it doesn't go anywhere. If I was making money off of TikTok, I wouldn't want it to go nowhere, you know? What's wrong?
Oh, Daddy.
Did he leave you?
Yes.
Sissy left you too? Yeah. I told you they'll be back. I told you Sissy had to go to the doctor. She'll be right back as soon as she's done. But I'm not, hey, listen. I'm not going to hold you if you're going to keep crying. So you have to be quiet right now. Let me wipe your tears. Quiet, or I'm going to put you down. I think you're tired. Are you ready for a nap? Okay. I got to make myself some bread. Aaron, you want to stand up or sit down?
Sit up.
Don't move. I'm going to make myself some bread, because what's oatmeal without bread and butter? And I say it all the time, I don't need the bread and butter, but guess what? I was going to eat it, okay? Yeah. Bread and butter is just amazing. Like, it's nothing better.
Mom.
Literally.
Mom.
Hold on, Aaron. Let me tell you, if this girl could crawl back into my skin, she would. We'd be sitting on the couch. She's like, I want to sit with you. I'd be like, you are. You're right here. No, I want to sit with you. She want to be on my lap, sitting on the couch. Same thing on the bed. I want to lay with you. She want to be on me. I'm like, Aaron, you're literally right here. We're touching each other. No, I want to sit with you. She be wanting to be on me, y'all. That my baby. That my baby. That my baby. That my stinky, stinky, winky, pookie, pookie, dookie, dookie. All right, stand up. Let me get my bowl. I don't want to put it in that. Okay. We're not going to use that cup right now. Maybe a little later, not right now.
The mine.
Yeah, I know. And
Then milk.
It's
milk. Oreo. It's Oreo. Oreo. It's Oreo.
You better be careful.
Oreo.
Say my friend.
My friend.
Are we locked in?
My friend.
Now step this way. Step that way. Now step this way. Step that way. All right, y'all. So it's a few hours later. I done took a shower. I got my bonnet on. I didn't pin curl my hair. I just put it in a bonnet so I can get in the shower. I got my pajamas on. It's this 2-piece jogger set from Target. I've had it for over a year now. If they still sell these, and if I ever was to buy it again, I would. I would buy it in a size medium, because I got it in a large. I'm a large. I buy all my clothes in a size large. Now, here's the thing. It's like, since going to the gym, I've lost weight. Nothing crazy, but you know, I lost weight. So, you know, honestly, in certain pieces, I can fit in a medium, but I continue to buy larges, I guess more so for the length, because I'm tall. I'm 5'7". So, you know, especially for pants, like if I buy it in a medium, I'm sure they will still fit. But if I buy it in a large, they'll definitely be good because you get more length with that. Anyway, I didn't come on here to talk about that. I just came on here to show y'all my plate. I just killed the first piece of chicken. I didn't finish it all the way, but I was like, damn, I forgot to show y'all. So I got one plain piece of chicken, one barbecue, some string beans, and some macaroni and cheese. Babes, when I tell you this chicken is falling off the bone, that's what I mean. So good. So I'm gonna sit here and watch some vlogs. I don't know. I think I want to start another move. I think I want to start. I think I want to start another season of Love is Blind. I started with the current season, well, the most recent season, which was season 7. But I've been told to watch season 5. But if I'm a watch older season, if I'm gonna watch older seasons, I kind of want to go in order. So I may start season 6. We'll see. The girls are actually staying over his parents' house until tomorrow, so we love that. I didn't even know until I had talked to Rock. But yeah, so that's wonderful. That gives us both a break. An even longer break. Because I thought they were just going to go over there for a couple hours, really, honestly. Well, I wasn't told that they were spending the night, and I didn't pack them my overnight bag. But I guess that's what was decided whenever it was decided. But they're good. They'll come back home early tomorrow. I had sent some old pajamas over there a couple months ago. So, they got those pajamas. They got toothbrushes, toothpaste over there. So, they're good. Yeah. Alright, so I don't know if I'm going to come back tonight, you guys. Just because I'm not doing anything. But if this is the end of the vlog, thank you so much for watching. To the returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back into today's video. If you were new, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you part of the family. And yeah, just make sure y'all like this video. You guys, I don't know if y'all realize it, but liking videos helps out a person's channel. So I know I don't say it a lot at all. I don't tell y'all to like, comment, subscribe, because honestly, I just feel like if y'all want to, y'all will do it on your own. I shouldn't have to tell you guys. I mean, it doesn't hurt every now and again. And I don't know, maybe I should start saying it more, because, you know, after you watch a video, you know, you may just click off of it onto the next and not even realizing that, oh shoot, I forgot to like it. So liking videos, it does help out a person's channel, and it helps people's channels grow. So if you like the vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe, comment down below, because I would love to talk to you guys. Y'all don't really engage that much, but I would love to talk to you guys. Make sure you click the bell notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. So with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.